Hey, it's Joe over at Socialware Pros. 5 gig um, completion here on Yelp, on your Yelp listing. This looks good. I added the COVID-19 uh, information you have on your website that I also added on the GMB, and I also added the two other categories: skincare, beauty, spa, skincare, and medical, health and medical. And basically, under beauty and spa, skincare, there's a few subcategories. I added anti-age treatment and wrinkle treatment. I wasn't sure if anything else applied. I didn't see anything else that would apply to your site according to the products you have. Um, Ours look good. Um, this has all your keywords already. I didn't do anything here. You've got plenty of keywords there. I did make some changes on the photo. I usually optimize 5 photos per gig, and I added a few. I added these, and I added keywords to them. Um, and let me pause this. I'm getting this call. Anyway, so um, all your photos should be optimized. You've got CBD weight loss, CBD beard oil, CBD, you gotta have the description with the keywords that you need to be found for. I added these to your pet product and to your edibles. And so do the same with all your other photos. Just add, keywords. They need to have keywords. CBD or hemp or whatever keyword you guys want to use to optimize these. Um, and other than that, it looks pretty complete. Um, it would be nice to have obviously reviews from clients, but I know that that's not here yet. You need to get some clients to get your reviews, and also you don't want to spend too much money. I'm not sure people go to Yelp for CBD products. I'm not familiar. It's a new business, or not new, but just a couple years in the making. So I think Google's a better investment in terms of advertising. Um, and they have a slideshow here that would be nice to display your product. They can you can optimize it and have all your products scrolling with the description. And what do they want for this? $1 a day. So anyway, $30 a month. They have other little things, and I'm not sure if you need to do like an ad before you get these discounts, but $30 to have a slideshow. I don't know if it's worth it. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Let me know if you folks need any more help, but this looks pretty good, and